Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a life hacks video and I've got 11 life hacks for you. So I hope you enjoy and let's get started. So the first life hack is playing Happy Birthday on your phone. So the second life hack, which I've tried on my friend before and it's literally really good. She thought I was a hacker. So the second one is, if you ever want someone to stop texting you, you can send them the service announcement, which says, send this SMS service error 305, message delivery failed. Further messages will be charged to your account. Number 3 is, if you put aluminium foil behind your internet box, it reflects off and you'll have a better internet connection. Number 4, if you feed a spring into one of your iPhone or iPad chargers, it will make it more stronger and it won't break. Number 5, if you burn your tongue, you can cure it by putting sugar on your burnt spot. So number 6 is wiping a banana over your CDs or DVDs so it seals all of the scratches on it, but don't forget to wipe the banana off before you put it back in your DVD or CD case or in the DVD or CD player. Number 7 is, if you have a paper cut really sore and you literally hate them and you want them to heal quicker, put lip balm on them and it will heal much more quicker. So number 9 is, if you get in a takeaway anywhere, such as going through the drive-through, and you hate when you get home, your takeaway is really cold, put the heating on in your car. So number 10 is, if you cannot be bothered to get the iron out and you're really lazy and tired, have straighteners in your room, put them on, heat them up, get the creases out quicker. So the last one, number 11, is if you put conkers around your house or whatever part in your house, it keeps the spiders away and other insects. So I hope you enjoyed them life hacks, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next my video. And don't forget to comment some ideas down below and I'll be doing them for you.